Now you see our tent are ready for sleep. And some of guests is here around. Yes, this is a good place for us. Camping site is here. The place is so nice. Everything is alright here. You see rangers are coming here. And the place is worse because it's very dry for the human being. It's worse for the human being, but for the animals, this place is very good, very cool. You can hear go away buddies say, go, 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 as we call go away bed. It's really terrific. This is a good place to have a whole day. You can come here the whole daytime. You see there, those are Pari Mountains covered by clouds. Yes, and other very dry trees. Like this is very dry trees because elephants sometimes used to destroy them. Yes, good place to be. Mkomazi National Park, good place to be. Sure.